In the Skuid Chicago release, you can now add buttons anywhere in a table. In addition to row, mass, and global actions, you can add a button group so that it shows up before or after any field that you have in the table. In this example, I want to add two actions to my accounts list. One to kick off a process that would change an account's record type, and one that will assign the account to myself. The way that I can do that is by going to Add Fields in the table here on the canvas, where I can click Button Group to add a group of buttons which will show up as a column in the table. I can rename this or take that label out entirely, and I can add buttons here. So I'll name this first one Change Record Type, and this second one will be Assign to myself. If I click on the button, I have access to all the properties that you'll find in a normal Skuid button: styles, actions, and more. So that my table is more than just a data grid, and I can take action at the point of interaction instead of having to search for a menu somewhere else in the page. Let's see what this looks like in the runtime. And there we go. We've got our buttons anywhere in the table. They don't have to be all the way on the left or all the way on the right. And that's how you add buttons to a table, which you can also add to a form in the Skuid Chicago release.